Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to send email to multiple people on Gmail. So basically what you have to do is simply open Gmail and then simply click on compose, and then here you'll have to simply choose to who you want to send this email to. So I'm going to enter a random email address, and here you'll have to enter the subject. So here I'm going to type in something like test, and then here you have to simply compose your email. Now let's say you want to add multiple people, so you'll have to simply click on this. And then as you can see, you can add multiple emails, and basically this will be sent to these guys here, and you can add as many as you want if I'm not wrong. And basically that's how you have how you can do it. And then simply click on send, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, message sent. So you can do this with all types of emails. You can send files, videos, and much more. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.